Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. In today's video guys, we're going to show you how to set the timing on Kia engine 1.8 Kia or the 2.0 NU engine 1.8 2.0. This is a 1.8. For the 2.0, double check again before you follow our advice, but most of the parts are interchangeable on that engine, not all of them of course, but some, so that procedure might relate to the 2.0. Again, double check that before you do it. So that engine's been used in Kia Forte, Kia Soul, Kia Cerato, K3, so we'll show you guys what we need to do now. So the first step will be to bring the engine to TDC point, top dead center. We have the video to see how you can do that, but pretty much cylinder number 1, the piston needs to be all the way up. And now you can see like right here there is 2 marks on the camshafts, okay, that we need to line up. Okay, you can see right there. We'll need to install the glide and the tension arm, and now we need to get them tied with the torque wrench. The manual says 18.6 to 22.6 torque Newton meters. Okay, you can see it's a click type wrench, so you notice a click, and when you hear the click and the handle moves, you need to stop immediately. Okay, this is it. Now we need to do one more bolt, that's for the tension arm. That's if you replace yours. All the tools and parts that we use will be listed in the description of the video below. Amazing. So you can see, if you install the timing cover, just put it on the side of the engine. You can see where the TDC point is. That's 0, that's the TDC point. All we have to do, install the crankshaft pulley and line those up if you don't know where the TDC is on your engine. Okay, this is the tooth right here that you need to align with TDC. Okay, that one right there. So we just put the cover on, the side timing cover. The tooth is lining up with the TDC at 0. So that's great. All we're doing here, we're just holding the cover. We didn't install any bolts because we know we need to remove everything. After that, we'll just remove the cover now, the timing cover. Careful with the oil pump, everything needs to be lining up when you install it, so you don't damage your oil pump. Now we can proceed with installing the timing chain. Now the timing chain has 3 cover teeth, golden cover. 1, 2, and the bottom one is for the crankshaft right there. Now those teeth need to match these dots right here. 2 for the camshafts need to match these dots, and 1 is for the crankshaft. We'll show you where it goes. Okay, the one on the crankshaft is the one that has a dot. You can see it's not covered, but it has a dot drilled in. Okay, this one right there. So you can move the camshaft with a wrench. There is a special place on the back. You need to align the cover teeth, okay, with the dots here, and now we can do the bottom. Now the manual says that you need to turn the crankshaft 2 to 3 teeth clockwise until that dot lines up with the cover tooth. And you can see we're still holding on top here, so we have the dots matching there, everything is good. You can see how the crankshaft passed 3 teeth, but here those are not lining up as well. That's fine because it's 3 teeth past the TDC. That's how you're supposed to do it on this one, and we'll show you how to double check everything later. So we installed the timing chain tensioner. Now one person will need to hold the arm there. Okay, so I'm gonna drop the camera here, give me a second. So one person needs to hold that tensioner arm all the way, just as much tight as you can, and one need to pull the pin now. It's spring loaded. Okay, you can hear it's like a gun going out. Okay, and everything is good now. So grab it again and try to pull it as much as you can to make sure that the chain doesn't have any slack. Now we need to turn the engine with the wrench on the bottom, 22 wrench. We need to do 2 revolutions on the crankshaft. 2 revolutions, and a TDC on the crankshaft, you need to have the marks matching on top. We'll show you in just a minute what I'm talking about. Okay, it's coming now close. Okay, Rob, almost, just a little bit more. Okay, oh, that's it, right there. Now let's check if that is TDC point. So we will install the timing cover again to check the TDC for sure. And on the bottom you need to make sure that the oil pump is going, okay, in the valve, in the timing cover as well. We installed the pulley as well, and you can see the tooth is matching exactly with the zero there. So it's right on the spot. Let me see if I can show you that from underneath, but I don't think I'll be able to. Okay, yeah, I think we can show, yep, right there. So that's TDC. And timing chain, everything is great. The two marks on top are lining with each other as well. So thank you guys for watching. That's the whole procedure. Hopefully the video will be helpful to some of you. Please subscribe, give a like, check out our Facebook page, and see you next time.